Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain how we can do robo order or bracket order in UPSTOCK app. In this UPSTOCK app it is called as OCO order, means one cancel the other order. So all the details I provided in the description of this video, just you can enable this description. Okay, first of all, if you would like to open an account with UPSTOCK, you can use this link. If you like to open an account with Angel Broking, use this link. Currently both the account opening is free. So I am going to UPSTOCK app. So in UPSTOCK app, when we open, it will come on the front page, means our watch list. So here I am going to demonstrate on ITC. I am clicking on the ITC. When the page opens, you can see here buy and sell. This bracket order will be process will be same for buy and sell. I am selecting buy now. Here you see by default it will be simple order. You can see here. Here you can see this is a portion to enter the quantity, order complexity you can select here, limit or market order you can select here. Intraday, this OC order only valid for the intraday. I am selecting OC order. The full form is one cancel the other. Either stop loss order will execute or either target order will execute. So if you are placing OC order along with the main order, means buy order, we have to place target sell order and stop loss sell order. Means target order is our target, stop loss is stop loss. So here you can select either limit price or market price. I can show you the market price now. Sorry, only limit price it is coming. Stop loss limit we can select. So limit I am selecting. So current price of ITC is 170. So I am putting limit price of buy price as 170.8 I am keeping. So once this price reaches, this order will execute, our main order will execute. I am expecting a movement of at least 2 rupees. 172 I am putting as a target price. So quantity also I need to select. I am putting quantity as 1 itself for a demo. So if the price reaches 172, this order will execute. Or if the price is moving against us, I am putting 168. So if the price reaches 168, stop loss order will execute. If price reaches 172, our target order will execute. Now I will show you how to put a trailing stop loss. Trailing stop loss is an option provided by the broker. Once the current market price increases, our stop loss price also automatically will increase. So here you put the figure 20. 1 rupee increase in current market price, 1 rupee stop loss will increase. Like if price became 171.75, our stop loss will increase to 169. If you make it here 40, this will be jump of 2 rupees. I will show you. So you can see here it is changed to 2 rupees. Here you can select day or IOC. Day means valid for a full day. IOC means initial order or cancel, means when we place the order, if it executed, it will cancel. You can see the review. Here you can see the quantity type is intraday, stop loss price, square of price. Square of price means our target price, and the trailing ticket price for us 40. If you press on this buy, this order will be executed if it is a market hour. Now it is not market hour, so I can't show you that. Okay. Friends, thanks for watching my video. If you have any question, please comment on the comment line.